So the next thing we're going to do for produce appetizers and salad, make a very traditional dish by the name of croquettes. So croquettes is basically a bechamel sauce with a flavored filling, and then what we do is shape them into like a sausage shape and then crumb them and then deep fry them. So that by the time you eat it, the bechamel sauce is all soft and runny inside. Today we're making a more influential traditional Spanish style. So I've got a pre-made bechamel that's quite a hard bechamel. Then I have 2 hard-boiled eggs, well semi. I like mine a little bit runny and just for colour. And then I've got 1 chorizo that I've just roughly diced up. Now I also want an accompaniment for my chorizo. So what I've done, I've got some mayonnaise here, a really plain base whole egg mayonnaise, and I've added a little bit of smoked paprika. To finish that off, I'll add a little bit of fresh lime juice, and that's going to be our garnish for our croquettes. Then I'm going to take you through how to do crumbing. So first things first, we want to make our chorizo slightly crispy. So we need a frying pan. While that's happening, I'll finish my mayo. So just 1/4 of a lime, fresh lime juice. Because our dish is deep fried, we need something lighter to pick it up. Otherwise we have a whole fatty texture or flavour in our mouth, which is not appealing. So that lime juice is just going to break it up a little bit. Mix all your ingredients. Then store in the fridge between 1 and 5 degrees until needed. Mayonnaise. Beautiful. Taste your food. Touch of salt in the fridge. Alright, so my frying pan is hot. A little bit of olive oil, about 10 mils, and then your chorizo. We can multitask. In a kitchen you must, if you're standing in a kitchen only doing one duty at a time, I can guarantee you're not going to last very long in a kitchen. You have to be able to multitask yourself and do a million things at once, and that's a skill that all chefs have to have. So I probably have a little bit too much here, so I'm only going to use half my bechamel. So in that I'm going to grate my hard-boiled egg, or my medium. Put it through, like so. So I've rendered some of that oil off. That's beautiful flavoured chorizo oil. All right. So I'm going to allow my chorizo to cool slightly. Then I'll add it to my bechamel. Put my bechamel sauce back in to the fridge to set again. And then we're going to pipe out sausages and crumb them. I'm going to place it in a piping bag. My mix is a bit soft, so I'm going to show you what to do if your mix is a bit soft and how to rectify it. The first thing we can do, The first thing we can do is add a touch of breadcrumbs. I know it's not ideal, however, it's going to bind it. If you do add breadcrumbs though, make sure you re-season because that breadcrumb is going to take away your flavour. Now another thing what I'll do is I'm going to freeze my croquettes before I crumb them. And this is going to make my life much easier to handle. All right, so to place in a piping bag, I'm not fitting it with a nozzle. Over your hand, like so. You can put it on something if you can't use both your hands. Open it up, place your mix inside. All right, and then refrigerate to set.
There's 3 bowls. One bowl will be filled with egg wash, so I've got eggs here, and I'll put a little bit of milk, and then season it with salt and pepper. Then I have plain flour, and then I've got breadcrumbs. So, when we do crumbing, first dip it into the plain flour, and this what happens, it then coats whatever you're crumbing with that flour, and allows you, when you put it into the egg white or the mixed egg wash, that the egg wash will actually stick to your flour. Then straight from the egg wash into the crumbs. So firstly, I'll just quickly make an egg wash. Mix directly onto here. So I've got my mix that I've set in the fridge. Cut the end off, make sure you put this part of the piping bag directly in the bin, otherwise it will find its way back into the bin. Alright. So now we're going to pipe. Depending on your size of your croquettes will be dependent on how big your hole is at the top. Small, so I push my mix back down and recut. So what I do now, without even touching it, roll it in the flour. So now when we do crumbing, we always have one hand for wet, one hand for dry. For another 15-20 minutes once I've done it. So, like I said, I make my hole much bigger. degrees. We need to be careful not to overfill our deep fryer, that's really important. And obviously safety. Now I've got a couple of different sizes here, so I'll put all of one size and then the other. Just want those big ones anyway. And the big one. So I'm going to do a smear. So fresh lime. So now I do have a container lined with just some tea towels, so I'm going to absorb some of the oil that comes out. Any that are exploding, take out. You will sometimes get one or two that explode. Beautiful golden brown, that's how they should be. Then just plate. How you plate them is really up to you. Again, there's no wrong or right way. It's in the eye of the beholder, so to speak. Today I'm just going to do simple. So that's my chorizo croqueta.